Well, I'm finally getting some momentum back after the vacation slowdown. Let's get straight into the weigh-in results. I weighed in this morning at 262.6 pounds, which is a loss of 4.2 pounds for the week. That is definitely needed for my vacation recovery. That puts me at a total weight loss of 38.4 pounds since January, and this means I'm roughly 23 pounds away from my first milestone goal weight of 240 pounds and 48 pounds away from my ultimate goal weight at 215 pounds. The main focus of this past week has been to regain that momentum that I had before we left for vacation. Saturdays are my weigh-in days, and usually that's the day I allow myself to have more calories than I normally do. However, this past Saturday, I kept it strict and stayed under 1,500 calories. And the reason for that was last Sunday was Easter, and I knew I was going to consume more calories, and of course, I did. However, for Easter dinner, we kept it strictly keto. I smoked some pork belly, some tri-tip steak. I also smoked one of our favorite side dishes, which is a cheesy cauliflower dish. I will share the recipe for it the next time we fix it, I promise. We also had some not cornbread, which is the Miss Jones brand, and for dessert, it was keto brownies with a little bit of Rebel vanilla ice cream. I didn't track my calories, my macros at all, just being completely honest. Now, as for activity this week, I'm pretty proud of myself. I got in 4 out of 5 strength training workouts, and of course I got over 10,000 steps every day. But I also achieved something else that I've been struggling with throughout this entire journey. That's right, I got in some high intensity cardio on the elliptical machine for 20 to 25 minutes, 2 times. The challenge is going to be to keep that going and get up to 3 times a week at 30 minutes per session. So Operation Vacation Recovery is officially over and I'm regaining my momentum. Now it's time to get as much progress as I can in the next month and a half-ish before the next big obstacle comes my way. Now I'm excited, but I know it will not be an easy task. With everything that happened with vacation and the weeks following, I'm not sure I can hit my milestone goal weight by that time. One thing's for sure though, I'm going to give it everything I've got. So stay tuned.